So the problem here was that I had to wanted to create a link here in the file in the application menu. Actually, we see here there is a PyCharm. This link. This link is linking to this application. Is PyCharm. Is this application in bin to this PyCharm shell, this bash script. So the problem that I had is I was using the traditional way, which was if I now run the Donphin root. Okay, this one is inside this path. As we can see here, it's a USR share application. There are all the desktop files which contains the directives to show an icon to the start menu here in in Kubuntu, like this CMake. If I go up here, I see that I have CMake. This one is I made before, and I can cancel. This one I can remove it because I don't need this one. Okay, this one is a CMake, and the same icon is this one. Development CMake. So I wanted to create a similar icon for PyCharm application, but PyCharm actually is not installed. It's just uncompressed from a file, from a tar file, from a tarball, and so I wanted to put this icon in the development category in the start menu in Kubuntu. So I was supposing to create, as I usually do, which was this one. And now if I open with Kate, and that one is the script that when we give the extension desktop. Now this one is underscore because I didn't want to use this one. So when we have the name of the icon of the program to run with extension desktop, and we have this script similar to this inside. Usually in Ubuntu, for example, this is created a desktop an icon on the category that we specify here, this development. So when we specify category development in Ubuntu, we have the relative icon to the category development, but it's not so here in Kubuntu. Kubuntu maybe is even easier, and I find out after a bit of research, and I found out that the procedure to use is quite different. And now I'll show you why. Because if I, for example, okay, now I rename this one. Rename. Okay, rename as a desktop. Now I'll show you that here we should have another icon similar to this one with another this one is a PyCharm desk, this one's a PyCharm. So we should have a similar icon with a different name here, but it's not so, and I show you why. Because if I go properties on this one, look the difference between this one and the property of this one. You see that here we have this tab, this is application, while here we don't have that tab, and this is determinants to make this icon appear in the start menu in Kubuntu. Now we see how to do that. Okay, now close everything. What I've done is, with the help of Donphin, I go to the bin directory of the application, this one, and here where there is the PyCharm shell, this one here, yeah. Okay, sh. Okay, so what I've done is, if I go in Donphin, I see that there is a create new, and there is a link to application. Oops, here it is. Link to application. As you can see here, we have this application tab. So what I've done is very simple. I use this one, for example, to change the icon. To go to the icon, we can choose the icon that is here, or otherwise the icon that is applied with application. In that case, we go up here to this one, and then we go to home. Okay, here, bin, here we go. We got this the images for the icon. We choose one, for example, this one, and then we go to permission. This one I gave all the modify and the executable, and then the application directives. Here is where to run the application itself. Here we can change the name and give, for example, PyCharm 2, PyCharm 2, and then we go to application. Here we give a name, second PyCharm, description, PyCharm. Okay, this one is a comment. Okay, this one, but here this one is what is more important. Is if we go to browse, and then we go to the file, when it's here the directory to use, which is this one, home, clone, and then we go down here to bin. Okay. Okay, here there is I don't think now that I gave to run in terminal. I thought this one is a shell, a script, so it's a bash script. So we should give but I didn't give the to run in terminal. No, I didn't do that. So I think this one is enough. So we have now, as you can see, we have now this PyCharm to desktop. So we take it, rest cut, and then we go to application and we paste here. But now we have to do something else. Okay, paste one file, there is another small thing to do, is to authenticate. We have to give the category, because this one is the actually is a desktop file, but it's auto-generated. The only thing that is missing here is the category, as we can do here. PyCharm desktop, you see here is the category is development, and we give this one, we copy that, we put somewhere, yeah, okay, and save it. Now save it. Okay, we can now refresh. Okay, now you see that here we go PyCharm 2, and now we see if we get this PyCharm 2 the icon on the start menu development, second PyCharm, here it is, which is the, so actually these two is pointing to the same application. Right now, run it, and this runs as a charm. Okay, that one is all everything for creating actually a link or to an application and run it on a start menu in Kubuntu.